Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to prepare a crab soup for kids. I have taken medium sized onions finely chopped, 6 to 7 garlic cloves finely chopped, and handful of coriander leaves finely chopped, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of peppercorns. Since I am preparing this for my kids, I have used the peppercorns. You can use the pepper powder also, and salt to taste. I have used small size 2 tomatoes finely chopped, ginger finely chopped. I have used cinnamon sticks, small cinnamon sticks, and curry leaves for taste. I have taken half a kg of crab. I have cleaned and I have kept aside. Now let's see how to prepare this. See, I have added 1.5 tablespoon of butter. To this I am going to add my ginger, garlic. I am going to saute it for 2 minutes. I am going to add my onions. Let us saute it for another 2 minutes. Then we are going to add our cinnamon sticks and salt. See, once it is cooked, we are going to add tomatoes. Just saute the onions and tomatoes together for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can add your turmeric, your coriander powder and peppercorns. See, for kids I have used very small quantities of coriander powder and the peppercorns. If you are doing it for if your kids love spicy, you can increase the coriander powder and the peppercorns or pepper powder. Even you can add green chilies to this. See, I have added the crabs. Let us saute it with this tomatoes and onions for 2 to 3 minutes. After sauteing it with this masala only, we are going to add our water. This is very easy recipe and your kids will love it. Once this you can serve as a soup. For my younger one, I always prepare this soup and I use as a rasam for rice. I'll use with idly and dosa. So she loves it. See, once it's come to the boiling point, I have added my coriander and curry leaves. I'm allowing it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to switch off the flame. When your kids are suffering from cold and cough, try this soup. It really helps them. See, if your kids doesn't like the onions and all, you can filter and give this. See friends, our soup is ready. Please try. Please leave your comments, subscribe. Thank you.
Soup.
What soup?
Crab soup day.
Okay, try.
Okay, teacher. Yummy. Yummy tasty. Daddy. Yummy fish cake. Bye.